Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4, and today I'll show you how to reset camera settings. And to get started, you will want to open up the camera. From here, tap on the... Oops, sorry for that. Let's just go back so you can see it clearly. Focusing is hard for the camera. So as you can see, there is a little settings button right here. So I'll click on it. And from here, select right at the bottom, reset default or restore defaults. Click on it, confirm it, and there we go. It's now completely finished. Now it does ask you all the permissions again, so if you want to, you can grant it. So anyway, that is how you would reset your camera, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.